We've got a chef tip from everythingkitchens.com. Today we're going to show you how to get a perfect bundt cake out of your bundt pan. So you might have one of these at home, a intricate, gorgeous bundt pan from Nordic Ware, but sometimes your cake does not come out looking like the pan. So we're going to show you exactly how to get your cake out of your intricate pan. The first thing you'll need is some baking spray, and I really like this baking spray that includes flour in it. That just helps prevent even more sticking. So I'm going to give this a good shake, and we're going to spray down the insides of this pan and make sure that you get spray absolutely everywhere. Anywhere there is not spray, this is going to stick. All right, and you really want to make sure that this middle part right here is especially sprayed. A lot of cakes stick right there, and then especially in these creases, you want to get your baking spray down in there. Do not be afraid to go to town with your baking spray. Just make sure that it is completely greased up. The second thing you're going to want to do is to coat the inside of the pan with some coarse ground flour. So I like to use either almond flour, or we've got some ground flaxseed right here. What that's going to do, that's going to give us a barrier between the insides of the pan and the cake so it slides out easy. So I'm just going to take a good handful and just evenly sprinkle it around here, and also go to town on this. Use as much as you want. I encourage using more, because what we're going to do, once we get a bunch in there, we're going to turn it on its side and just kind of tap this. Keep turning it, you're going to see it fall onto the sides, and we want to see every silver piece of this pan coated with this flaxseed. And if you don't have enough in there, like it looks like I've used up all of mine, I'm just going to put some more in there and do the same thing. And do not forget to get this middle spoke. He's kind of difficult to get, so I just hold this pan on its side and just sprinkle it like that. And then once it looks coated enough, just kind of turn it like this, get all the excess out, and our pan is ready for the batter. So after your cake has cooled for at least 10 minutes, we're going to take this and flip it over onto our decorator. And I'm just going to use my fingers to kind of hold this cake while it flips. And look at that. All right, you can see these well-defined ridges. There wasn't any sticking. All that literally fell out of the pan. You'll notice the bottom is just a little bit lumpy. That's okay, that is completely normal. Bundt cakes, just take your serrated knife and you're just going to saw that right off to make a flat bottom.